Hello everyone, my name is Pathavi Usanachot, but you can call me Sen. Today I'm going to talk about a job I'm very interested in, the UX UI designer. A UX UI designer works in technology and design. UX or user experience is about how people feel when they use a product. UI or user interface is about how the product looks and how people interact with it. UX UI designer makes websites, apps, and digital products easy to use. They design layouts, buttons, menus, and colors, and they test how people use the products to make improvements. They also work closely with developer and product manager. To do this job, they need creativity, problem solving, skill, and knowledge of design tools like Figma or Adobe XD. They also need to understand how users think, communicate well with their team, and test designs based on feedback. This job is important because good designs make people enjoy apps and websites. It helps businesses attract and keep customers, save users time, and make technology feel more human and friendly. In terms of career, UX UI designer can work in tech company, startup, or agency. They can focus on apps, websites, or products, and with experience, they can become UX researcher, product designers, or design managers. To conclude, UX UI designers create designs that are both beautiful and useful. They make technology easy and enjoyable, and this career is growing fast as digital products become a bigger part of our life. Thank you.